In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Yahoo email account. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital life or simply moving on to another email service, deleting a Yahoo account can be a straightforward process if you know where to go and what to do. So let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to navigate to the Yahoo termination page. This is where Yahoo has centralized its account termination process. It's important to note that this page is specifically designed for the closure of Yahoo accounts, so make sure you're in the right place before proceeding. You can easily find this page by doing a quick search or using the direct link available in Yahoo's Help Center. Once you're on the page, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to sign in to your Yahoo account. You'll need to enter your username and password just like you would when accessing your account under normal circumstances. This step is crucial because Yahoo needs to verify that it's really you who wants to delete the account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might also need to complete that step to proceed. After successfully signing in, you'll see an option that says Continue Delete My Account. Click on this button to move forward. Yahoo will likely prompt you again, asking if you're sure about this decision. This is the final step, and Yahoo does this to give users one last chance to reconsider. After all, once your account is deleted, you won't be able to access any emails, contacts, or other data associated with it. At this point, it's worth mentioning a few important things. First, once you delete your account, there's a period of time during which Yahoo will process your request. This usually takes about 30 days, but it can vary depending on your location and the specific Yahoo services you might have used. During this processing time, you won't be able to sign back in or recover your account. Finally, if you have any important data, emails, or contacts that you need to save, make sure you back it up before you go through with the deletion. Once deleted, your information is gone for good, and Yahoo won't be able to retrieve it for you. And there you have it. You've successfully requested the deletion of your Yahoo email account. Just remember, it's a big decision, so make sure you're absolutely certain before you hit that final confirmation button. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more guides and tips.